Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving from Red Hills Road to Duhaney Park. Straight ahead you're looking at Queens Hill, and we're going to be going on to Perkins Avenue and then Duhaney Park Main Road and heading towards into the Duhaney Park area. So this is a residential area we're in now. As you can see, a lot of homes. And that hill you're looking at straight ahead is Queens Hill. So at this intersection now, turn left, we take Red Hills Road back to the Price Mart area. That side, turn right, we go up to Red Hills into the hills itself. And if we go straight, that's Whitehall, and that will take us back to Malines Road. But we're going to turn right and then left and go on to Perkins Avenue and head into the Duhaney Park area. This is actually one of the few 5-stop stops. There's like 5 roads intersect at the same spot in Jamaica. It's not something that happens very often. All right, we don't have a lot of roads like that. Put it that way. We are on Perkins Avenue now, and we are heading towards the Duhaney Park area. So on the right is Queens Hill. Okay, so that road we just passed is the road you take to go up to Queens Hill. And this is Perkins Estate on the right, a residential area, gated community. Alright, so we're going to turn left here and go on to Duhaney Park Avenue or Duhaney Park Main Road. If we had gone around the roundabout, we would have gone into the Meadowbrook area. So we are now heading towards the Duhaney Park Plaza. And this is a residential area, but as we get closer towards Washington Boulevard or closer towards the Duhaney Park Plaza, a lot of the homes were converted into business places. So you have restaurants, bars, stores, those kind of things. This is a very large residential area, so you will find that you have a lot of stores that support a residential area. So you'd have a lot of small stores. The plaza has a very large supermarket. It's actually a very successful plaza. It was recently renovated. Has a Shoppers Fair supermarket. It's built in a populated area, and you have food stores in there. So, for instance, on the right now, that's a grocery store. It's a home that was converted into a grocery store to serve the community. There on the left, you see a Lotta store, which is a home that was converted. So as we get closer to the main road now, or to Washington Boulevard, you're going to see a lot more of that going on. This community has thousands of homes, and surrounding this community you have Meadowbrook, you have Patrick Gardens, Pembroke Hall. So you have it's a very populated area, a lot of people. That's the Duhaney Park Primary School on the left. That's the Duhaney Park Police Station on the left, and then this is the total Duhaney Park, and then behind the total is the newly renovated Duhaney Park Plaza. We have lots of videos up of the new plaza, driving through it, so you can check it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.